Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you like everything about sewing because I love sewing and I post about sewing on this channel. Okay, so today guys, I am super excited because yesterday I found out some really awesome news, which means that you can get your hands on a free sewing pattern magazine, a really good one actually as well. So let's get started. Patrones is a Spanish magazine. It does have some translations. So far they haven't yet translated to English, which is a bit of a shame, but never mind, not to worry. I did buy a Patrones magazine, I think a year and a half ago. I liked it, but I didn't like the cost of the annual subscription for them to post it out to England. But I was tickled pink yesterday when I decided to take out a 3 to 6 month subscription. Basically, long story short, I felt like buying some silly things and I redirected that silly energy into buying something more productive because there is a thing that is productive retail therapy versus non-productive. And I've been trying to be more conscious of that and doing more productive retail therapy. Basically, I wanted to buy something and then I realized that I should better off buying things that I can resell if I don't want to use them. So that's how I ended up looking at Patrones yesterday. And I was going through looking for a subscription, the cheapest subscription that I could find that would post out to England. And they have an app. Patrones have developed an app where you can buy the magazine or you can take out a 12-month subscription. It's a digital subscription. You get a digital magazine. But what's awesome is you actually get access to every single pattern that is in the issue digitally. So you no longer have to worry about where to store the magazines or anything like that. And you've got an app that you can use to browse. And I will show you if you stay until the end. I've got a little tutorial showing you how you actually access it and how you navigate it. And best of all, because Patrones are aware that people might be a bit like, how is this going to work out? Is this going to be okay? And they know that most of us people who sew, we're quite conscientious about spending money on things that we're a little bit unsure of. So they are giving out a free magazine on the app itself. And that's amazing. So you get a chance to try it out and see if you like it before you then go and buy it. The single issue magazines are only £3.97, which is £4 for an issue. And if you want to get out the yearly subscription, is only £41. So do you guys think I should get a subscription? I'm just kidding. It doesn't even matter because I already bought the subscription anyway. But yeah, I think it's really awesome. And I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I only found out about this yesterday. And this is how excited I'm about it. Recorded it, decided to share it out straight away because this is amazing. So on the app itself, they've got several magazines that have already been uploaded, back issues, a few back issues. They don't have the entire catalog on there yet. But just the fact that for £4, you can get all of the sewing patterns, right? And you can download the individual pattern itself. And I've already, tested it out and I've checked it and I've printed a pattern out and it's legit. It actually works, and it's going to be amazing for the sewing pattern magazine industry, possibly even for sewing patterns. Okay, so I'm just going to run through the quick tutorial on how to actually get it. I will put a link in the description box down below to take you to the app, but bear in mind that will only work. You can only download the app on a phone or on a tablet. It doesn't work for computers. You can't have the app on a computer. And I'll also show you how to get the actual pattern itself, because obviously if you're going to be downloading it on your phone or on your tablet, you might want to be able to send it over to your computer for your own personal storage, and I'll show you how to do that as well. But yeah, pretty awesome, exciting.
So here we are. You want to go into your Play Store. I'm using an Android phone. If you're using an Apple, I think you go into the iTunes Store. And if you're not using the link, all you have to do is go search up for Patrones in your Play Store, and it will come up as the top one. But I keep my phone on airplane mode, so you want to make sure that yours isn't on airplane mode, obviously. And once you find it, it's very simple to install. Just go through the same process of an installation. So absolutely make sure that you have the space on your phone to download the issue, because each preview that you download or each pattern that you download, that's going to require space on your phone. And because my phone is so old and it's taking such a long time to download, I'm also having a cup of coffee whilst I am doing this demonstration. And because I don't want to do any editing, I'm not going to be speeding up or anything like that, because that's how excited I am about sharing this. Okay, so once it has downloaded, you'll be able to open it. So you're going to go right ahead and open the app itself. And automatically, without even having to sign in or anything like that, you are taken to the pages where the patterns are available. And it automatically takes you to the most recent issue. In this case, it's for number 411. And you can scroll along there to see what other issues are available on the app itself. Okay, so if you want to see the preview, you just click on Get Preview, and it would just take a little bit of a while to download. And when it's finished downloading, you will get a notification on your phone. And there on the preview, you'll be able to see the cover and the line drawings. So some of the magazines don't yet have the full line drawings. They'll only show you some of the pictures of the garments that come in the issue. So you can see there how you can use the pinch to zoom effect, which is pretty really useful. And so over here, issue number 406 is the free issue that they're offering. And you can get the preview and just have a look as to whether you'd be interested in any of those patterns. So there it's showing you what's in there. So this particular issue, they only show you those 4 pages, so it doesn't quite have the line drawings like the others. But because it's a free one, all you have to do is just simply click on Get, and you will get the full magazine itself. And you can see below there all the other magazines that are available on the app itself. So far, the app, it's very user-friendly, I think, and it's very intuitive. The interface is very clear and easy to follow. And in my case, the English translations pretty much showed up straight away. So you can see there, that's the magazine, and you're just kind of like flipping through the magazine, but you're on your phone. But what's really awesome about this is obviously you've got the ability to zoom if you want to. And I'm just giving you an idea of some of the patterns that are available in this particular issue that's for free. So this is the free magazine that you can get. But you can zoom in to get a really good look at some of the details. And when I'm sewing, I do that a lot. I need to look at the detail. And the other useful thing about the app is, so for example, you might see a bit that you want to remember, or a detail that you liked. You can clip it and you can just download it and save it. You have to give the app permissions to use your phone picture mode. You can also add notes. You can also put in bookmarks. So there's a lot of functionality with this. So, I'm making a note here where I'm kind of like, I love this. And you can use emojis as well, which I think will be really awesome to get an idea of how my moods change about a particular issue over time. Because, sometimes you get an issue, you love it, and then 5 months later, you decide that you like it. So you hit the fast forward button, it takes you all the way back to the beginning. It's a very useful app. And if you want to go back in to see how you can actually get a pattern, so I'm just scrolling through, and then when I find a pattern that I like, I can just zoom in on it. So I found that for me on the Android, I have to super zoom in order to be able to actually get the pattern, or to navigate to where the pattern is with the instructions. So this is a particular dress that I quite like the look of. So I'm sort of like, I have to zoom in, and you see that little scrolly arrow. All you have to do is to tap that, right? And that takes you to where the downloadable link for the pattern is. So that download arrow, you tap that, and then it asks to take you to an external link. What that does is it downloads it onto your download manager of your phone. And depending on how your phone is set up, you just have to find the file that has been downloaded. In my case, it's a notification on the top of my phone, and boom, I have the pattern as a PDF. And this one is only 9 pages long, which is really, really awesome. And it's the pattern for that particular dress. You can add it to your Google Drive as a way of saving it if that's how you like to do. I use Google Drive a lot. Or you can actually email the pattern to yourself so that you can print it, or if you are arranging for it to be printed elsewhere, you'd be able to send the file. So going back into the app, an individual magazine is only £3.79 for access to all of those sewing patterns. And if you wanted to subscribe to get a 1 year subscription, it's only £41.99. And it's very simple to do that subscription because if you have a Play Store account, you've probably set up a payment option with it. And so when you click on the subscribe, you will be able to do that. So the ones that you own, that you've bought, they go into your library. And there is an option on the app where you can contact support, and if you wanted to see the about and the data protection issues. But it's a very useful app, and I've been very happy with it in the 2 days that I have been using it. And if you just want to check out all of the other magazines, it's very, very simple. I'm just showing you there how it would work. You just literally click on buy, and you have to do a confirmation, so you don't have to worry about accidentally clicking on something. And that is how you use the Patrones app, which gets a big thumbs up from me.
So that's that. As simple as ABC, you could have an entire library, an entire catalog of sewing pattern magazines in your hand. And I think that is going to be a game changer for the industry. And I have to say, Patrones blindsided me with this one, because I didn't think that they were the ones that would come up with something innovative like this. I kind of thought that that would probably be up to Burda, because Burda, throughout the 70 years, they have been quite, forward thinking in terms of what they make available to people. And I think that they were the first sewing pattern magazine to have a website where people could buy individual PDF downloads before PDF downloads were a really big thing. So I kind of thought that Burda would be the first one to develop something like this, but it was Patrones. And I think that this is going to be a big game changer, because throughout my years of collecting sewing pattern magazines, I come across a lot of people who say that even though they loved the magazines, they stopped collecting them because of storage considerations. But you no longer have to worry about that if you actually have them at hand in your phone. And you can download the patterns, and then you'll be able to store them on your computer, and you can get them printed out. And as we know, right now you can get A0 printing relatively cheap now, because there's so many companies that actually provide that service. So I think that there's a lot of there's a lot of fun things ahead for all of the sewing pattern companies. I mean, I was thinking that probably places like your McCall's, your New Looks, your whatever, they might probably be better off moving towards a magazine format, where you have the option of buying a magazine of the entire catalog of the spring, summer patterns or something like that, or a package where you can select which patterns you want. I mean, I think that the extent to which this can be developed is quite grand. And as for me, I'm absolutely taking out the subscription, because it's £41.99 for 12 digital issues versus £130, I think, for like 12 physical issues. it's a bit of a no-brainer for me. So I've taken out the 12-month subscription. I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it, maybe at the 6-month mark, because sometimes it takes me time to get into my groove. But yeah, I'm really, really excited about this, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this new format that Patrones have adopted? Are you going to be trying anything out from the free magazine, or are you like a hardcore, it must be a physical magazine or nothing? Let me know in the comments down below. I am super excited and I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up down below, because it helps the channel and it's pretty awesome. You might want to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I put out new stuff. Otherwise, the YouTube algorithm will decide what it wants you to see. And again, until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.